Alright, I've added a new layer and I've called this seaweed, and then I've locked all my other layers down. And then I'm going to use the line, the pen tool, and I'm going to create a line, and I'm going to change the white to a green. And then I'm going to hit my cap lock key because I want my pen tool, and I'm going to hit Control plus plus to zoom in. And then I am going to create a kind of wavy kind of line. My fill is green, I just realized that. And then I'm going to hit enter to release that, and then I just move away. I'm going to put none for the fill, and my stroke, I would like that to be the green that I heard earlier. But you know what? I'm not happy with that green. I'll go back to making it a darker green. And then I'm going to use my selection tool, and I'm going to click on it, have it selected. I'm going to change it to uniform, and this is going, the uniform setting on that from this default one to width profile number 1. It's going to kind of taper it, make it thick and thin. And then I'm going to change my stroke. I'm going to do 5. Yeah, that's 5 is good right there. 5 is nice. Then I'm going to go ahead and create another one of these. Maybe it's a little shorter. And then I'm going to hit enter to release it. This uniform, I'm gonna make that about 5. There we go. All right, so I have these two lines here, and I want them to create other lines between them, going from one to the other, and there's a way to do that, kind of like repeating it, kind of like a step and repeat between this line to the next one. So I have this one selected, and there's a tool right here. It's called the blend tool. I'm going to left click it once. I'm going to click it once here, and then I'm going to click it here, and it created this single one. Okay, if I double click in there on the tool, double left click, you can smooth color, you can specify steps, and you can do distance. I want specified steps, so I think I'm going to do 5. I'm going to click left click on the preview. See, it added 5, or I could add 3. See what it does. Oh, I kind of like the rounded one. I like the rounded one for the orientation. Or you could go back. Line to path. Okay. Alright. I'm okay with that. Alright. And then I'm going to hit OK. So now I have this seaweed right here. And then I want you to repeat that in this section over here.